In today's video, we are going to cover how to activate API access in make.com. Start by signing in to your make.com account, enter your account credentials, and wait for the dashboard to load. Make sure you are in the correct account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one workspace or profile. Once you are signed in, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click Profile Settings. This opens the area where your personal account options and access controls are managed. If the menu does not appear right away, click your profile area again and look for the settings option there. Inside Profile Settings, look to the left-hand menu and select API Access. This section is where make.com handles token creation and permission settings for external connections. When the page opens, you should see the controls related to managing API tokens. To create a new token, click the option labeled Add Token. This starts the process of generating a credential that another application or service can use to connect to your make.com account through the API. At this stage, you are setting up access, so it is worth checking each field before you create the token. Next, choose the required scopes for the token. Scopes define what the token is allowed to do. Select only the permissions your integration actually needs. If your use case requires full access and that fits your environment, you can use the Select All option instead. The main point here is to match the token permissions to the connection you plan to use, rather than selecting extra access without a reason. After choosing the scopes, click into the Label field and enter a descriptive name for the token. Use a label that helps you recognize the token later, such as a name that reflects the app, service, or workflow it belongs to. This is especially useful if you create more than one token over time, since labels make it easier to identify the right one when you return to this page. When the permissions and label are in place, click Add to create the token. Make.com will then generate the new API token for you. Once it appears, copy the token and place it into the application or service that will connect to your make.com account. Store that token securely after copying it. It will be used to authenticate API requests, so treat it as a private credential. If you are pasting it into another platform, make sure it goes into the correct API token or authentication field for that connection. Your make.com API token is now created, copied, and ready to use for API access.